Hi Lynn, let me talk you through how the events system works. In the menu up here you'll see a new link for events, which shows you shows any user all the upcoming events in date order, so the soonest first, and then going through in date order. In the CMS, which hopefully you have been able to log into, if you click here, the second link down here on the home page is events, and that brings up a calendar, and you can see there's one test event there. If I go through to January, you'll see this other test event which runs 5 days there. So to add a new event, you pick the date you want the event to start, and you click add item. So we go for the 24th of December. You give a title to the event. You can give a summary if you wish to, which can be a sentence about the event. None of these fields are mandatory, but if you want to, you can put an address for the event and a postcode. If you put a postcode, it will generate a map. So for I think it's test event 2, yeah. So when you go through to the event, it will generate the map, but only if you put the postcode in here. Website URL can be any URL that if you want to send people through to. Let me just show you. Go back to the events page and this test event. So this link here in the CMS is the URL that you put in here. If you leave that blank, then obviously there'll be no button here. But if there's a URL, a website that you want to send people to for the event, you can put it in here. The date, if it's a one-day event, you can have the date would be the date and end date would be the same. If not, you can select a separate. Let's go for the 24th, 25th, 26th. So that's a 3-day event. If you have an end date, again, the time, if you leave that blank, it won't show anything, but otherwise you can put just a start time, or if you know the end time as well, you can put the end time in as well. You've got a free text box here where you can put any descriptions or details about the event. You can also insert images and files. If there's anything that any other information you need to put for the event, you can put it in here. The Who box, let me just show you on this one, for example. The top right, you either can pick a user on the system, or you can type in a person's name or an organization's name. So in the CMS, if you leave this blank and choose a user from over here, so assigned to site users, you can pick a user. So let's pick Pauline. That will then highlight Pauline up in this top right as the user, and people can click through to their profile. Alternatively, if you don't select a user here, you can put in Weymouth Council. Okay, so an event run by Weymouth Council, you can put who, and that will appear then in this top right up here. The category for the events, there's 5 event categories in the system at the moment, but you can add others if you wish. And so if you click, so group exhibition by Weymouth Council, and the last thing is the promotion image. So that's the image which on the events page, it's this background image here, and when you click through, it becomes the main image here. So you can select promotion image. If I click on it, it takes me through to the image folder. If I click on this button here, it gives me larger thumbnails. I've created a folder here with test images, so let's pick one of these, pick that piece of art, and then save changes. So by default, when you save the changes, it generates the map, which it's done, but currently it's still offline. So to make it online, you click make online and close, and that you'll see there the 3-day event has been added. If I then refresh the events page, there we go, there's the event there. Click through, and there's the details we put in. Weymouth Council top right, group group exhibition is the category. That's the title, the summary. They're the dates, the time, the address would go here, and then that free text description would go down here. Okay, I think that's it. The only other thing to show you would be the event categories. So at the moment there's 5 event categories, and you can assign an event to a category. If you want to create another category, you can go in here, add a new event category, give it a name, choose the color that you'd like it to appear in the CMS, and then do save changes, and that will create a category for you. But I think that is everything for the events. So if you want to go through and add any events you've got for the new year, or any events you know that are taking place, we can put real events in here, and then I can remove these 3 test events. Okay, hopefully that's clear. If not, let me know. Cheers, bye.